The zucchini custard pie is sweet and creamy. You'll never taste anything like it. Let us show you how to easily make it with the help of this video. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Into a blender, add the unsalted butter, chopped zucchini, white sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, evaporated milk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Cover and blend until smooth. Into a prepared pie crust, pour the mixture and sprinkle with ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon on top. Bake in the oven for 5 minutes. Then, lower the heat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for 30 to 45 minutes. Let it cool at room temperature before serving with whipped cream and ground nutmeg. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.